We've been watching kind of broad rotation over the past couple of hours with these storms that, of course, have history with producing some damage all the way from Kentucky and West Virginia, and now has officially moved in, of course, to the Carolinas. So what we're seeing is that tornado warning kind of just exploded in intensity just with those lightning strikes. We were also, before we got that tornado warning and that area of rotation, we were looking at quite the hail core within this, anywhere from ping pong to golf ball sized hail that's around 1 inch or 2 inches in diameter. So we've got, of course, the tornado warning, but also some very intense hail, rainfall rates exceeding 1 to 2 inches per hour, as well as a lot of lightning. So if you're traveling on I-40, again, you saw what Walker Lawson was dealing with. You'll want to definitely find your safe zone as well. Now, what I'm looking at from the National Weather Service out of the Greenville-Spartanburg office is one damage report. That is going to be reports of a tree blocking Baker Teague Road that's near Bethlehem, near Alexander County. So this is right now the only reports of damage that we have from this tornado warning system. Of course, we will continue to keep our eyes on it, and Walker Lawson will also have an update on the storm tracker as well, Brad.
Thank you, Becca. Yeah, we'll keep a close eye on that. And one of the things I look at in situations like we look for storm reports, we're looking for ground truth to this. We've got a lot of radar data. It tells us a little bit about what's happening in this storm. But I'll tell you from a traffic standpoint, one of the other kind of canaries in the coal mine, you start looking at where traffic is slowing down or either stopped, meaning debris or heavy rain. There's a section on 40 where the interstate is slowed down quite a bit. So not sure if we had a tornado cross there. We certainly had either some heavy rain or something cross the interstate that has caused a significant slowdown in this exact same area. And the area I'm talking about is near Claremont, basically just east of 16. So there's clearly been the traffic on 40 is slowed down to probably 30, 40 miles per hour. So I don't know if we had some wind damage or a tornado cross the interstate, but there's a slowdown on the interstate right in this area, which tells me something crossed there, at least enough to slow down traffic. Sometimes debris or leaves or trees will get blown into the interstate, and that will slow folks down. We're also seeing slowdowns all the way back east of, it looks like the River Oaks Golf Club area there, just off of 40 as you're going east there. So that's an area heading back towards Statesville. So we're seeing some significant slowdowns here on the interstate, likely because people traveling either saw something, the visibility dropped, or something blew into the road in this vicinity. So again, this is traveling south and east. Statesville, you're probably going to miss this, which is good news, but Sherrills Ford down towards Westport. This storm is like a classic looking supercell that we would see. I can actually see the diverged aloft. You see kind of this V shape here. That's telling me too the storm's being vented and not that direction. We've got inflow coming here. It's a textbook storm for rotation. This is called a supercell, rotating updraft within this storm. And rotating updrafts don't always mean tornadoes, but they always usually mean severe weather of some kind, large hail, damaging winds, and also sometimes tornadoes. So anytime we see a system like that, we're really concerned about the damage potential with this storm. I do want to